This is Project Paradigm, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 finished to our client's exact specification. Paradigm is painted full gloss Portofino blue with black accents. Project Paradigm sits on 20-inch Kahn Mondial retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 also features a classic front bumper with daytime running lights, E.C.D custom steering guard, and 2 round LED lights at the rear. Inside, Paradigm features a MOMO Indy wooden steering wheel with hot white gauges, 2 RECARO Orthoped front seats, and 2 forward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Nappa Kastanienbraun leather stitched together in reindeer. This D90 is powered by a GM LS3 430 horsepower V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This D90 also features an array of modern elements, such as touchscreen stereo with focal premium sound speakers, Apple CarPlay, and access to charging points throughout.